Hello, I'm Chunilal Shah. This is my car. My name is Chunilal Shah and I've been driving car for last 60 years. 20 years in UK and 40 years in India. I own a Verna Fluidic car which I purchased in 2012. I enjoy driving this car for short and long journey and have found the performance to my requirement. Suspension on the car was not satisfactory, so over a period of 8 years I have tried to improve my fitting rubber buffers which improved the suspension. I then fitted rubber packing under the spring. Both this improved the driving and car handling. This year, I came to know about arc shock absorber while surfing on internet. I was impressed by the presentation and fact that the manufacturer of Arc Industries described the shock absorber as being superior to any other make. I am an engineer and at my age of 77 years purchased full set from Arc Industries. I asked my garage, United Motors, Bangalore, to do the fitting. This was the first time for both me and United Motors. After fitting and trial drive, the proprietor of United Motors was quite impressed by the improvement. I have been driving my car for last 2 weeks and have done 200 kilometers. Now I can list the improvement. First, the road holding has improved. Car feels more stable. Steering is very positive. Ride is comfortable both for driver and passenger. I have additionally benefited from increase in mileage by 1 to 2 kilometers per liter. Increased contact time between the tire and the road is noticeable. Increase in mileage is the direct result of this. I look forward to many more years of driving thanks to this improvement, which was the direct result of fitting arc shock absorber both front and rear.